In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in Outlook, a simple trick to stay organized and never miss an important task or meeting. Start by opening your browser and going to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click the calendar icon on the left-hand panel. This brings up your schedule where you can plan events and tasks. Next, click New Event or the plus sign to create your reminder. Enter the details of your task or meeting. Look for the reminder option and select when you want to be notified. 15 minutes before is usually a good choice. You can also set an email reminder for an extra alert. Finally, click Save to lock in your reminder. And that's it. You're all set. Outlook will now notify you so you can stay on top of your schedule. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.